everybody. Welcome to Woodland Valley.
Coming through. Oh, it's you.
All kinds of folks to meet here.
Come get something sweet here.
Lots to do.
Hydrants, too.
And our house is blue.
We have lots of class here. Stop by when you pass here.
Our park was thrilling.
That's just the beginning.
Moonlight, too.
Plus our house is blue.
Welcome, welcome, welcome to the big blue house. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the big blue house. Door is open. Come on in.
Now you're here.
So let's begin.
Oh, hi there. It's good to see you. Come on in. Wait a second. What's that smell? It smells like bananas. It's you. Ooh, tell me, did you just have bananas for breakfast? Because you smell all banana-y. Or maybe you smell this appealing all the time. I couldn't resist that joke. Anyway, I'm just running down to the post office to pick up the mail. You see, Jeremiah can be a little slow in delivering the mail. After all, well, he is a turtle. So I thought I'd go down and pick it up. Would you like to come with me? Great. Let's go.
Hey, check it out. There's like 50 of us in here.
College kids. Oh, looks like Jeremiah's a little busy.
All right, hold your horses. I'm coming.
Hey, Jeremiah.
Oh, Barry, it's you. Hello. So, what can I do for you?
Well, I'm just stopping by to see if you have any mail for me today.
Mail, you say, huh?
Well, this is the post office, right?
It is? Well, right you are. Yeah. Well, let me take a look here. Mail, let's see. And,